In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TurboTax Business Error 25359. TurboTax Business Error 25359 is a frustrating issue that typically appears when you're trying to install or update TurboTax Business, especially on Windows. You can fix it and get back to your tax filing quickly. Here's a full walkthrough tailored for you. The first thing you should do is run TurboTax as an administrator. Sometimes error 25359 occurs because the program doesn't have enough permission to write to certain folders or make necessary system changes. Right-click the TurboTax shortcut on your desktop or Start menu and choose Run as Administrator. This often clears up minor install or update issues right away. If the error appears during installation, you may be dealing with a partial or corrupted download. Head over to the official TurboTax Download Center, this site here, and re-download the correct version of TurboTax Business. Before you do that, it's best to completely uninstall the current copy by going to Control Panel by searching for it in here. Click on Open. Now, press on Programs. In here, click on Uninstall a Program, selecting TurboTax Business and removing it fully. Afterward, restart your computer, then reinstall using the freshly downloaded file. For persistent error 25359 cases, it helps to clean up temporary files and reset the Windows installer service. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to remove temp files. Press Windows plus R. Here, type clem mdr and follow the prompts. You should also make sure your Windows is fully up to date, because missing updates, especially .NET Framework or Visual C++ redistributables, can interfere with TurboTax. If you're running antivirus or firewall software, like Norton, McAfee, or Windows Defender, consider temporarily disabling it during installation. Just remember to re-enable it after you're done. In rare cases, overly aggressive security settings block TurboTax from modifying certain system files. If none of these steps work, Intuit support is your best bet. Be sure to give them the full error number and describe exactly when the error appears. For example, right after I hit install or when I tried to update forms. They may offer a patched installer or walk you through more advanced system repair steps. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.